All right, so now we're going to utilize resistance band. I'm using the lightest weight band, the yellow band, for a little V up. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get on the edge of a bench. I'm going to reach, get a little tension in that band, bring my toes together, toes spread nice and wide, and I'm going to start to come up with the band, high, 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 get some tension in that guy, all the way back down, all the way up, all the way back down, holding the edge of the bench would be great. So really following your breath this whole time. If this is easy, you could use a heavier band, that'd be fine. If this is hard, you could drop the band. The big thing we want to focus on, keep your body in the shape of a V. Keep the knees and the feet glued together, activating that midline, and keeping your body moving in sync with the breath. 12 reps, 4 sets, just like the rest of them. Easy peasy. Enjoy.